What's up, YouTube? Maker here. I got me a product for my wet brass tumbling. I just tumbled a thing of brass. Look at that. Beautiful. The problem is when you wet tumble, especially if you live in a high humidity area, the problem is this brass will tarnish within like a day or so. At least mine does. So they have this, they sell this product on stainless steel media. It's a Tarnish Inhibitor. This is about 30 bucks. It makes 6 gallon, and we're going to do a little test. I'm going to treat some, put it out in my building for a day or two, and then not treat some and see how bad they tarnish. See what happens. So what you got to do is you got to dry it a little bit. So I just get a towel. Probably good enough, and it doesn't have to be completely dry, they say. And it puts a polymer coating on it that resists for the brass to tarnish. Kind of got a weird smell to it, but anyway, we're just going to dump this in there like so. Put it in there. I think they say 30 to 60 seconds. So just throw all that in there like so. I'm going to set one of these aside, and that will be in a 40, and that will be our baseline, I guess, or whatever. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm sure that's been a minute, so you just take it and dump it out the best you can, because you want to continue to use the product. So I think you mix it 1% product or 99% water, so it should last quite a bit. I did hear someone say that if you treat your cases like this, that if you use lube, and I'd say it's the alcohol that does it, I said that it kind of screws, it messes with the finish, the treatment. I'd say it's the alcohol and the lube, especially if it's like Dillon case lube or something, because all that is alcohol and lanolin. That's it. The alcohol is just there to disperse it out, and then the rest of it you're left with just lanolin behind. I got videos on my channel to show you how to make that. Alright, so we're going to let these set and dry, and we'll come back tomorrow. I'll let that stuff sit out tonight out in the building, and we'll compare. Alright, YouTube, what's up? Finishing up the video here. This is the one that's been treated with the tarnish remover, and this one here has not. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but this one here is more of a brilliant bronze color or brass color. This here is a little, there's a little bit of a tinge brown to it. So that's what you get, and these both have been setting out in the out here in the building for a good while, probably a month or so. This one here looks pretty good. This one here has been setting out also. This one's been treated as well. I don't know if you can tell. I'm sorry, is that right? Yeah, that one's been treated as well as that one, and this one has not been treated, and neither is that one. And this is a more yellow bronze. This is more of a white, and this one here is more of a brown. So if y'all are anal about your brass looking shiny like virgin brass, then I suggest you get the tarnish remover, tarnish inhibitor. It's about 30 bucks and it makes about 4.5 gallons. So the rest of the stuff I got here in a bucket. It's not totally all of it. I used about a half of a bottle of it. But anyway, that's a FYI for y'all. If you didn't know it was out there, you get it through stainlesssteelmedia.com. I believe is our website, and I've been wanting to get it for a while and try it out, and I can say that I'm glad that I did. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe. Have a good one. Widow out.